What is wrong, Leo? Oh my goodness! The flight is at 9. Why are we waking up so early? We are going to the airport today.
We do not have much time. I said we have to go, now.
Let me find the passports. I think they are in my bag. Where is it? It has to be here. Oh no. The bag is empty.
Are you sure? Look again.
I cannot find the passports.
Are they under the bed? Let me look under the bed. I see a sock, but no passports.
Think, Mia. Where are they? No, the table is clean.
Look! The passports are on the TV!
Thank goodness. You found them, Max.
Good job, son. Now, get dressed.
I will wear my red shirt.
Ah! I want my pink dress.
Go, go, go! We must be fast!
I will check the suitcases. Huh? Lily, what are you doing?
I am packing my suitcase, Dad.
Your suitcase is too full.
But I need my toys.
You cannot take 5 teddy bears, Lily.
No. They want to see the airplane, too. Whoosh! Landed.
Just take one teddy bear, sweetie.
Okay, I will take Mr. Brown.
Come on, stay down. Just a little more. Finally. Oh, wow. It is very heavy. Help me, Max. On my way, Dad.
I will push it down, Dad. Jump, Dad! I'm ready!
Push down hard, Max.
We did it! Teamwork!
1, 2, 3, push! What? Oh, no. Oh, man. Oh, well. Oh, no. It opened again.
The clothes are flying everywhere.
It looks like a funny cloud. We only have 5 minutes left.
Let us put the clothes back quickly. Okay, the suitcase is finally closed.
Yes, Mom. I am ready. Ha! I am ready too.
Come on, let us take the bags to the car. Okay, let's go. Hup! Ah! Just got it. Whew. Hey, you got it. The bags are very heavy today.
I put my swimming shorts in the bag. But det ser deg, da just dames jag trapp I mouse jag. Da kidai.
Please open the door, Max.
Okay, Dad. The door is open.
Yes, the house is dark.
Did you lock the back door?
Oh, no. Let me check it really quick. Yes, the back door is locked.
Great. Let us get into the car.
Yeah! I want to sit near the window. I want to sit near the window.
No, I want to sit near the window.
But I'm already here.
There are 2 windows, kids.
Okay, I will sit on the left. I will sit on the right side.
Everyone, put on your seatbelts.
My seatbelt is on, Dad. Help me with my seatbelt, Mom.
I will help you right now. All set, sweetie. You're nice and safe. There you go. You are safe.
I am starting the engine now. Skates met you.
Dad, wait! Stop the car! Dad, I feel sick.
Are you okay, honey? Tell me what's wrong.
I forgot my lucky blanket.
Oh, no. Not the lucky blanket. Oh, honey, it's okay.
What's wrong with it?
I cannot sleep on the plane without it.
We do not have time to go back.
Please, Dad. I really need it. Max will cry without his blanket.
Where is the blanket, Max?
It's with Lily.
Lily? Why do you always do this, Max?
It is on the sofa in the living room.
Leo, we still have 1 hour.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mia.
Okay, I will run inside to get it. Oh no! Where did I put them? They were just here! Where are they? Where are the house keys?
Maybe they're in the cup holder. You have them in your pocket, Leo.
Oh, you are right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I am opening the door. Leo? Oh, there it is.
Oh!
Leo? Just where I left it. I see the blanket on the sofa. Found it. It was right there the whole time. I have the blanket. Let us go.
Thank you so much, Dad. You are the best.
Now, please drive carefully, Leo.
What? I will drive fast, but safe. Look at the terrible traffic, Mia. This is gonna take forever.
Oh no, there are so many cars on the road.
Are we going to miss the big airplane? We're almost there, son. Don't worry.
I really hope not, Max. We are trying our best.
Look over there. I see big airplanes in the sky.
I see the big blue airport sign right now. We made it.
Please grab the heavy suitcases, Dad.
I am trying, Max. They are very heavy today.
Come on, kids. Hold my hand very tightly. Wow.
We need to find the check-in desk very fast.
Look over there. It's right in front of us.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our terminal. How can I help you today? Hello there. Passports and tickets, please.
Here are our 4 passports and our tickets.
Thank you very much. Your flight is on time today. Oh, thank goodness. That is wonderful news. All right, here are your boarding passes and luggage tags. Have a fantastic flight. Please put your suitcases on the scale for me. Okay, here is the first big suitcase. It is perfect. Have a very safe and happy flight.
I told you everything would be fine.
Look, they have ice cream.
Maybe after we get to the gate, sweetie.
Now we need to walk to the departure gate.
What is our exact gate number, Mia?
It says gate number 15 on the flight ticket.
I see gate 15. It is very far. Follow me.
Wow. Max is a very fast runner today.
Please wait for me, Max. My legs are short. Sorry, Lily. Can I help you two?
Oh, thank goodness. I thought I wouldn't make it. Okay, we finally made it to the correct gate.
What time is it on the clock now, Mia?
It is exactly 8:30. We still have 30 minutes.
We are finally safe and sound. Let us sit down. Don't worry, buddy. We'll get you some snacks.
But I'm so hungry now, Leo. My tummy really hurts.
I know, just a little longer.
Fine. I am feeling very hungry right now, Dad. I am feeling very thirsty, Mom.
I will go buy some fresh water and delicious sandwiches. Today was a very crazy and stressful morning for us.
But now we can finally relax.
Yes, it was. We ran around the house too much.
Next time, we really must pack our bags at night.
You are completely right, Mia. No more packing in the morning.
Thank you, Leo.
And I will always sleep with my lucky blanket. And I will only take one small teddy bear on trips.
What about you, everyone, watching this video?
Have you ever been late to the airport before?
Tell us your funny story down in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video today.
See you all in the next fun family adventure. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great day.